Hi, James Braithwaite here. How are you doing? You've caught me here preparing one of my pasta bakes. You can see the fusili pasta is nicely draining there. And if I've not steamed up the lens too much, you will see here nice creme fraiche with some grated cheese and bacon sauce to go in. That's because it's as well as going on the hob, it's going in the oven as well, hence the bake. So I'll just see if I can demist that lens a little. And there you are, beautiful fusili. And I'll just put the camera down here so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully nice and dry. Sometimes I add crisps on these, but I don't bother so much these days. In goes the sauce. Poke it down so it gets really nicely into the system. Bake rather. There it is. We grab our gloves, or terry towels in this case, a nice hot oven. Hopefully I can get the right angle. In she goes at 190 degrees for 15 minutes. Got a good timer there. And there you have it. That's my grub for the evening. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.